I have a bottle. Try to stay away from the bottle, Linda. Good for you. Put the bottle in the bag and watch. It disappeared. Scary stuff, huh? Look. It came back. Gone. Again. Fine. Let me try this one. Changed it into a container of potato chips. Ta-da! Ta-da! So hard to please. My goodness. Where'd it go now? In here? No, it's not. You want me to look?
Yes.
Okay, I'll look. Just potato chips, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, who don't believe me? That hurts my feelings, I'm gonna tell you that right now. Here, take a look. Excuse me. Nice lady that won't come up with lizards to help me out here. Here we go. Excuse me. Nothing, I'm 51. At my age, you even know that poor kid you aiming at there? Here we go. This is a solo notes that you may see through that tongue. Now that tongue's not like a